Did you know one man robbed 24 banks and 4 police stations in just 2 years? John Dillinger became America's first celebrity criminal during the Great Depression. He stole $300,000 while regular people lost their homes to the same banks he robbed. Dillinger wasn't your average thief. He studied bank layouts like a student cramming for exams. He bribed employees for inside secrets. His signature move was vaulting over teller barriers with a Thompson submachine gun, finishing most jobs in under 5 minutes. But here's the crazy part. People loved him. Crowds cheered during his arrest because he was hitting back at the banks that destroyed their lives. When he carved a fake gun from wood and soap to escape Crown Point jail, he became front-page news everywhere. The FBI finally got him using a woman in red named Anna Sage. She led him to Chicago's Biograph Theater on July 22nd, 1934. As he walked out after watching a movie, federal agents gunned him down. His death helped make the FBI famous and change bank security forever.